What is up, YouTube? This is the iPhone Pro Max in the 3 colors that it comes in: orange, blue, and silver. I've already done videos on all the colors I can get my hands on for the iPhone 17 base version, so this is the Pro Max edition. I have all 3 colors: blue, orange, and silver. The silver one will be a little after this, but let's go ahead and start with the orange color. So in typical Apple unboxing, you peel the tabs, as I struggle with the bottom one. And then the first thing you'll see is the phone itself. So this is the first time they've done a loud color on the Pro lines. Typically they do a elegant color like gold or black or silver. So the orange color is definitely a unique color choice for the Pro series of phones. So that's everything that comes in the box. You have the braided cable, your warranty information, and of course the phone. So simple packaging. Nothing new there. So that's the orange color, and I'm going to do a better showcase of the colors later on after the unboxings of each of the phones. So here is the blue. It was already unboxed before I can get my hands on it, but that's what it looks like. Packaging's the same, nothing's new. So your typical charging cable and warranty information. So that's everything that comes in those 2 phones, and I'm going to quickly do the silver iPhone just to show you what it looks like. So that's what the box looks like. Typical packaging. These are all 256 models. iPhone 17 Pro Max. So, and I'll do a review of these as time passes. Just use the phone, show you the strengths and shortcomings, and just let you know if it's worth getting if you have a 16 or lower, or even a 15, or whatever the case is. But for now, it's just going to be an unboxing and a color showcase to see what color looks good to you. You know, let me know in the comments which color you think you would get if you bought this phone. So that's the unboxing for all 3 phones of the Pro line. And now I'm going to showcase the colors as best as I can in sunlight, and just kind of do as many angles as I can and just show you what it looks like. So we're going to start with the orange color. Instantly you can tell that there's 2 tones to it. You have the metal frame, which is a little darker, and then you got a frosted glass inside of it. The camera lens is part of the frame now. Before it used to be glass, now it's metal again. So the colors are definitely a little more darker, as you see. Because we went back to aluminum, the rumor is that it scratches a lot easier than before. So we'll see how this holds up in 6 months to see if the orange and definitely the blue, how they hold up. Will it be an ugly, scratched up phone by then, or will the color hold up nicely? So it will be interesting to see how that plays out. But as you see, this is what the orange looks like. It's definitely a loud color for sure, and has a 2-tone finish, so rather interesting. And now we're going to go to the blue color. This one I think is probably going to be the favorite, but you have a dark blue on the frame, and then it's a little muted on the back, so the glass there. So I think this definitely is a nice color for sure. I will definitely check out the finishes after about 6 months to see, because definitely that color will show scratches the most, especially if they're deep scratches. I'm sure if it really is as soft as people claim it to be, it's going to definitely be a mess when 6 months or so comes by and the normal wear and tear occurs. But that's what it looks like there. I think it looks pretty nice, honestly, the blue color. So that's the blue. Now we're going to go to the silver color. The silver color is a 2-tone as well. The glass is white. So as you see there, you have the silver frame, a little bit of a metal look, aluminum, and then you got a white glass piece there inside. So this one's definitely one that you would want if you don't plan to get a case for this thing, as the scratches won't be as visible, if at all. But this is the most unique in terms of design, because it does showcase the aluminum better. You can see all the antennas and stuff on it. The glass is white. So I think this one would be a safer bet if you don't plan to use a case. So this is the color showcase. I hope this helped you in deciding what color you would get if you were to buy this phone. And once again, when I do my review, I'll show you things that it can do and can't do, and what's nice about it. You know, what is it worth getting? Should you wait? Stuff like that. So when I do the reviews of that, we can also try to showcase the colors and see if there's any wear and tear in a week or two. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave the video with this. This is a demonstration of the screen protector. If you buy one from Apple, you get a lifetime warranty of it. There's a privacy and a regular screen protector, and they put it on for you. So this is that demonstration there. They have a special little box to prevent dust and stuff from getting in it. So it's pretty interesting. So yeah, if you're buying this from Apple directly, you can get a screen protector, and they'll replace it for the life of the screen protector. So as long as you have a claim submitted, they'll replace it for you. So pretty cool. But that's the showcase. I hope this helped you, and stay tuned for the reviews. I'll do my best to get it out as soon as I can of the iPhone 17 and 17 Pro. So I'll catch you on that video. Until then, peace out.
Ở điên giá này không bị lệch. John, are you ready? No,